Welcome back, traders, to this week's installment on how to trade gold managing a small account. Now, as it stands right now, I'm about to put on a trade right now. Like literally, I'm about to lock it in right now because what I've been waiting for has arrived. I'm on my phone at the moment just because I just prefer placing trades on my phone. So I'm going to put in a buy, lock that in. Right, so we got that all set up. Let me find a sensible place to put my stop. Let me see what's a good place to put my stop. In all fairness, I could have had a much better deal, but in all fairness, you know what I mean, it's worked out beautifully where we got in. So let me see where I literally want to position myself to secure this trade. And I think I'm going to target this area here as my stop. So where is that level? Where is my thingamajig? Do you know what? I just do it on my phone. Stop loss. So we're just gonna lock the stop loss in at 2733.43. Let's lock that in place. Wait, I just did the dumbest thing. Actually, you're gonna see it on the screen once I lock it in place. Okay, so we now have the stop in, which is cool, right? And let me, mate, like I was stuck in so much traffic and I wanted to actually film myself putting this trade in. So I was like, move, boss, move. And obviously, I mean, we finally got here, so that's really cool. So let's just see what happens in regards to this trade. Now, getting all the excitement stuff out of the way, why did I want to take this trade today supposing to what I had yesterday? Because yesterday we saw this move, and remember I talked about I didn't want to get in because I thought I was going to get a much better deal than what was currently available, right? And I believe I am going to get a much better deal than what was available yesterday. Hence why I waited till today before I made this move. Now, I was just about to jump into TradingView just to give you a roundup as to why we're doing things in the way that we're going to do it. But you know what? In all fairness, I'm tired. I want to get something to eat, right? So what I'm going to do is I've locked this trade in place. We have this trade running right now as it stands. Everything is all locked in. The only thing that we don't have is a TP. Right, we don't have that in place yet. That I'm going to think about if I'm going to put that in place. So if I'm not going to put that in place until at some point in the future, right? So we'll see how all of that goes. So for now, actually no, as a matter of fact, this just because I'm going to keep this trade open overnight, and we do have FOMC that is taking place, right? I think I'm going to move my stop. If I can move it, yeah, move it down here. Okay, so I'm just going to move my stop down here. It's not ideal where I want that stop to be, but I think it's relatively cool what we're looking at. So £6, that is the risk that we're putting in place for this trade. So yes, I'm kind of okay with that. Let's see how it goes. Why did I place the trade where it is? Well, in all fairness, it all comes down to this weekly candle over here, okay? This super bullish weekly candle. If this one closes as a bullish candle, also at the moment this is a bearish candle, but if it closes as a bullish candle, or if it just closes somewhere over here, then I can expect tomorrow will be a bullish candle. And all I need to hope and pray for is that market doesn't come anywhere near where I've put my stop. And so long as I meet those criteria, we're good. We should be relatively profitable for the end of this week. And hopefully I will get back to that number that I was on, which was around £60, £61 last week, before obviously I messed up that whole situation. Hopefully I'll be back at those numbers again by the end of this week, but only time will tell, right? So with all of that said and done, if you found the content today super useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on the notification, and you drop us a like, and I will see all of you amazing people on the next one.